Hello, my name is Nehal Ravindra Chaudhary and today date is 30 October 2021. So today topic is linked list in Java. So what is linked list? Linked list which is provide the linked list of the data structure, and into the Java linked list which is used to the doubly linked list to store the element. Then into that Java linked list it is a inherit the abstract list and implement the list class and then decode the interface. And then Java linked list which is contain the duplicate element, and then Java linked list which is a manipulation is faster because it don't need to shifting, and then Java linked list which is a non-synchronization, and into that Java we can use the list, queue, and stack. Then we can use the doubly linked list for the remove and remove and add the element by the both side. Then that's why we use the doubly linked list. Then into that linked list, how to declare the class. Now we can for example the syntax of the linked list which is a public class linked list e, then inherit the abstract class or extend the abstract sequential list, and then implement the list e. So this is the syntax of the linked list class. Then we are use the constructor into the linked list for the empty list. Then we have some method into the linked list. For example, first method which is a boolean add. So it method work as a append the element at the last of the list. Then another method which is a void add, it add or avoid add index. Then it's add the element at the specific index, then by replacing the old number. Then another method which is a void add, giving the index and data or element. It add the specific position by giving the element. Then another method which is a void clear, then it's clear the all data from the element. Then is empty, which it is used either element which is a present, it's written the true, or if the element which is not present into the list, then it's written the false. Then another method which is a boolean get get method, which is a we can get the number by giving the index. Then another method which is a set method, we can set the element by giving the index and element, and then if we give the index or element, then we can set the element at the specific index number. Then another method which is a contain, it's written the boolean value which is a true or false. If the contain present into the list, then it's written the true value, and if either or the element is not present into the list, it written the false value. Then another method which is a index of method, which is a give the element index which we want. Then another method which is a last index also give the specific last index of element. Then another method which is a pop method, void pop method, which is a pop method we use to pop the specific element from the list. Then another method which is a push method, we can use the push method to push or put the element into the list. Then another method which is used is a add method, we can add the element into the list. Then another method is a to array. Then we can use this method by converting the all list by converting the all list to the array. So we use this method. Then another method which is a one other two string method, which is used for the print. When we not invent the print method, that time we use the two string method, which is used to print the element or print the data. Then another method which is a void pull method, we can pull the element into the list. Then So this is the all method which is present into the linked list. So more number of method which is present into the list. So this is the today topic of explanation. So thank you.